Tired of guessing where your time goes and ready to finally conquer project efficiency? Let's get started by exploring how to track time directly within Asana, or by using powerful integrations first. It's important to note that native time tracking isn't a default Asana feature for all plans. If you don't see time tracking already available, don't worry. We'll get to alternatives to see if you do. Open a task. Look for a custom field specifically labeled time tracked, time spent, or something similar. If it's there, your organization has already set it up. If not, stick with me, and you'll learn how to integrate another program into Asana to track time. To set up time tracking within Asana, you'll need to create a custom field. If one doesn't exist, navigate to Customize, then add field, select number as the field type, and name it something like time spent minutes to keep it clear. You can also change it to hours or days if your tasks require more time. Now, whenever you work on a task, simply enter the amount of time spent directly into that field. For more robust time tracking, let's explore third-party integrations. Head to your Asana settings and find the Apps or Integrations section here. You'll find a marketplace of tools that seamlessly connect with Asana. Popular choices include Clockify, Toggle Track, and Harvest. Once you've chosen and connected your preferred time tracker, you'll usually see a timer button directly within your Asana tasks. Start the timer when you begin working, and stop it when you're done. The track time will then automatically sync back to Asana, often populating a custom field. Congratulations! You're now equipped to accurately track your time in Asana. This data empowers you to analyze project efficiency, allocate resources effectively, and even streamline billing. Now, stop guessing and start optimizing.